Hello, greetings to you, my dear students. Today we are going to see one very interesting problem, my dear students, as well as little toughest problem from JEE Mains 2024, my dear students. And now let's solve this problem, my dear students. So here they have asked us, we have to find the range for this given function, my dear students. But this function seems little difficult for us. So what we are going to do? We are going to break him and we are going to make him into simplest form, my dear students. For that, what we are going to do is, first sine power 4 theta, I have to break this form, so that I am thinking, let me take like this, my dear students, 1 plus. Whenever they are giving this trigonometric problem, try to make the form into 1, my dear students, because 1 helps us in so many ways. So only. Now here 2 cos square theta, my dear students, divided by sine power 4 theta plus cos square theta, my dear students. You might think, sir, how sir, all of sudden you did? By practice you can also do, my dear students. So 2 cos square theta divided by sine power 4 plus cos square theta. If you expand this, you'll get again the same thing, my dear students. Okay. Now this one also seems little difficult for me. So what I am going to do, I am going to divide cos square theta in numerator as well as denominator, my dear students. So 1 plus 2 divided by 1 plus sine power 4 theta divided by cos square theta, my dear students. Now have you understood, my dear students? So I am again making into simplest form. While I am doing this cos square division, it won't change the function value, my dear students. Still this function is similar to this function only. There is no any doubt, my dear students. Okay, I hope still now you don't have any kind of doubt. If you have, please comment it down, my dear students. Again I will do some other extra videos for this. Okay, now we have to find this thing, because they have asked us to find the range only, my dear students. Here I have two functions. You see sine power 4 cos square theta, both have same domain only. Both might have the, because it's power 4 theta, it's square theta, it have the different range values, my dear students. So what I am going to do is, I am going to make the sine power 4 theta into the cos form, in cos square or cos, it have to be in cos, my dear students. For that I am going to write it as 1 plus 2 divided by 1 plus, here my dear students, be careful, watch closely, cos square theta plus 1 by cos square theta minus 2. What, sir? How you did this, sir? All this is in sine power 4 theta by cos square theta, okay. But this form, how you got it, sir? So it's confusing, sir. You all might think, my dear students, I can accept. Wait, let me explain you how it actually came. Now, what you do, my dear students, just simply expand this, my dear students. Cos power 4 theta plus 1 minus 2 cos square theta divided by cos square theta, my dear students. Okay, this is expanded form, right? Now let me explain you. Already we have seen one algebraic identity, my dear students. Not algebraic identity, trigonometric identity. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1, my dear students. So what we do, sine square theta is equals to 1 minus cos square theta. Okay, I want sine power 4 theta only, my dear students. So what I am going to do? I am going to do square on both sides. So it will become sine power 4 theta is equals to 1 minus cos square theta, the whole square. Now if I expand this, my dear students, 1 plus cos power 4 theta minus 2 cos square theta. You all are accepting this point, right, my dear students? This is what I got it here. So this term and sine power 4 theta, they both are same, my dear students. Even this term is, I am having 4 square, it will make some irritation, my dear students. So only I have taken in this form, so that I am just having the square theta, cos square theta. Just if I found the range for the cos square theta, that's enough for me, my dear students. For that purpose only I did like this. So now, my dear students, we have to find the range for this cos square theta. Once if we find the minimum and maximum value, from that we can find for the entire term, which means for this one we can say, my dear students. Now let's find for cos square theta, my dear students. You all know about cos theta, my dear students. How the cos theta graph will be, my dear students? Here 1, here -1, here it is 0. It goes like this, right? This is the graph for the cos x, my dear students. They have given cos square theta. For that, how it will become, my dear students? Same graph, 1, -1, 1. But instead of going down, again it will go up, my dear students, because already we have seen cos square theta is the positive function. It always there in the positive quadrants only, my dear students. It won't come to the negative quadrants. So here my minimum value is 0, maximum value is 1. So first thing, my dear students, I am going to substitute cos square theta is equals to 0. So sorry, 0, my dear students. If I substitute 0 over here, what answer I will get, my dear students? I will get the answer as 1. How, sir? How you will get the answer as 1, sir? Let me show you, my dear students. So what I said, cos square theta is equals to 0, my dear students. So 1 plus 2 divided by 1 plus, here cos square theta, my dear students, here if I substitute 0, it will be 0. Here 1 by cos square theta, which means 1 by 0 minus 2. 1 by 0 we know, my dear students, this is undefined. So whatever term we add, subtract, still it is undefined only, my dear students. So 2 by undefined, which becomes 0, 1 plus 2 divided by undefined. So that the final answer is 1, my dear students. So the minimum range value for this function, which means for this function, my dear students, it's 1. Next we have to find the maximum range, my dear students. Let's find the maximum range. So here the maximum range value is what, my dear students? 1. Now we have to substitute in place of cos square theta 1, my dear students. From there we can get the final range value. Just substitute here, my dear students, 1 plus 2 divided by 1 plus 1, 1 by cos square theta, 1 by 1, 1 only, my dear students. So 2, 2 minus 2, it will be cancelled out. So here I will get 3 as the answer, my dear students. I hope you understood it. If you have any doubt, please ask me in the comment section. Okay, my dear students. So 1 by 3 is the answer, my dear students. So this is the final answer for our question. If you have solved it before I have solved, my dear students, you are really great. Royal salute to you. So let me show you the solution, my dear students. This is the solution for this problem. Okay. Okay, my dear students. If you liked this video, please hit the like button. And if you have any kind of suggestion on whatever you have to say, please comment it down, my dear students. Bye bye. Thank you, my dear students.